One of the great things about macOS and iOS compared to Windows and Linux is the Apple ecosystem, which works beautifully together across all your devices. And one of the most useful features I use all the time is that you can quickly access all your saved passwords in Apple Keychain on any device. Sounds great, right? But as always with Apple, there is a catch. You can only use Safari web browser to access your saved passwords, not any other browsers like Google Chrome, Vivaldi, Firefox and so on. You are lucky you came to my video because I will show you now super easy way how to access iCloud passwords in other web browsers too, the same way as in Safari. And no worries, I am not talking about any sketchy third-party risky solution. I am talking about the official way Apple developed themselves. Let's go! So in Safari, if you will open any website where you have some stored credentials, you will click on sign in and Safari will immediately offer to you pre-filled username or email and password. That's how easy it is. That's how it works on all Apple devices. But if you will try the same in different web browser, in my case Vivaldi web browser, look, I will click on sign in and nothing is gonna happen. No pre-filled passwords. Thanks God, there is a fix as I told you. What if you are using, for example, Firefox? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Open your Firefox and click the link in the video description and that will get you to this. This is iCloud passwords and if you will look closely, it's offered by Apple Incorporated themselves. That's perfect. Click on add to Firefox. Yes, I want to add it to Firefox. I will pin it to my toolbar so it's always visible and here in the top right corner you can see it, the icon with the keys. Click on it, new generated code by Apple each time, put it there, bang. Your passwords are synced with iCloud Keychain, bang. If you are using Google Chrome or any Chromium web browser, simply click the link which I prepared for you in the video description and that will get you to this. This is iCloud passwords and if you will look closely, it's offered by Apple Incorporated themselves. That's perfect. So all we have to do is to add it to your Google Chrome, in my case Vivaldi, which is Chrome-based web browser, and click on add extension. iCloud passwords has been added to Vivaldi. Perfect. Now just quit your web browser and start it again. And in your top right corner, you will see keys which are striked through. So click on this icon and bang. To enable password autofill for Vivaldi, just enter the code which is generated each time new. And bang, your passwords are synced with iCloud Keychain. So if I will try to visit the same website as before in Safari and click on sign in, look, I've got iCloud passwords there. Perfect, so I can simply sign in. Bang, that's working. That's how easy it is. Let me know in the comments below how is your personal experience with iCloud passwords and Keychain overall. And if you find my video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can stay updated on my future videos. And if you are searching for useful computer stuff and tips and tricks, this one is perfect for you to watch right now. See you in the next one. Bye bye, take care.